Ano? Highlights to highlights. 2 teams foul. Mantikaw. Okay. Shot highlights. Tuara. Kuy. Travel si Talisik. Bro. Lady Gaga. 10 minutes and 21 seconds. Okay, to highlight si Jojo. Jojo now. I-shot ni Jojo. Okay, good. 15-25. Last 2 minutes. 3 points Santana. Good. 3 points. 28 against 15.
Loya naman po.
Okay, highlights to highlights. Para po si Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga. Foul. Second personal foul ni Lady Gaga. Okay, highlights to highlights. Jano to Jaya. Jaya to Jano. Shot. Good. 17 against 20. 38. 17 against 38. Okay. Salba na now. Nakita na siyang kauban. Gidribble. Gidribble. Apoy. Okay, volleyball. Naitalo to sa Picas ring. Okay, highlight. Shot. Okay, no good. Okay, Salbana. Salbana to green plus of home. Good, no good. Green. Okay, highlights. To highlight. To Arani Batman. No good. Kuhan ni talit ni Ilaga. Pasa ka, Jojo. Hoy, sure na. Bilan na lang. 19-28. 1 and 3 seconds. Remaining time for the third quarter. Okay. Seconds to play. 55. Ako ito ilaga. Tuwara. Wa na, sure na po. 50. 2 points. 25. 21 against 28. 40. 35. 30. Foul. Pila na yung foul nila? Kani si Bing Grass. Highlight. Second personal na niya. 25 seconds. 25 seconds. Okay, to Lady Gaga, to Salvana. Salvana now. Shot, okay. Lady Gaga. Wak na, sure na po ni. Wak na.